तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है शशांक और स्वागत है आप सभी का कॉर्पोरेट गाय यूट्यूब चैनल में। और आज इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं गूगल नोटबुक एलएम का न्यू फीचर विच इज़ द वीडियो ओवरव्यू वेर यू कैन create video content in free of cost without paying any money. So in my previous video we talked about some of the other features which Google Notebook LM already had, such as you can create audio podcast, right, such as like this.
Staying focused, keeping organized. It can feel like swimming upstream, right?
And you can have the interactive mode where you can go and have a conversation, live conversation in the audio podcast. You can create such as the mind maps, right? You can create briefing docs such as this one, which is a detailed briefing about that particular topic which you're trying to understand. You can create FAQs where you can ask questions and they can generate answers based on the content resources which you have added in the Google Notebook LM. Right, so these were all the features available in the Google Notebook LM, which I appreciated a lot. But today Google Notebook LM has launched one more revolutionary feature, which is the video overview, where you can create a video content with audio background. Currently it's only available in an English language, but yes, maybe Google will launch a few more options to add multiple language support in that. So I have already generated one video overview and I'll just play it for you to give you an overview how it looks like, right? So this is the video overview which I have already generated and I'll play it for you in a full screen. So let's see how it looks.
All right, so today we're jumping into a topic that, affects millions of adults, often in a really quiet, personal way, ADHD. We're going to look at what it actually is, how the brain is wired differently, and why finally understanding it can be a complete game changer. Let's dive in. So, does this question kind of hit home for you?
So this is the kind of video content which can be generated in just few minutes once you go back to the studio mode, and you can click on the video overview. There is an option of customization where you can give specific instruction if you want that video and audio to be focused on a particular topic or a subtopic from that broad topic which you are trying to understand, or maybe you're trying to create a content. And then you can click on the video overview and it will generate video content for you. Once you click on that, it will take some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes to generate the content. And once it is ready, you can click on that and you can even download that content. It will then open in your video player, and then you can even upload it on YouTube, maybe following the YouTube guidelines. Make some changes and upload it on YouTube. So this is a new update on Google Notebook LM, and I think this will be really helpful for all the students and for the content creators who are trying to generate content with the help of AI, but they don't want to pay money on for using AI tools, right? So I think try this tool, and it's only available on a desktop mode right now. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope this will really help you to get into this content creation mode. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.